Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing to share with you and it's a limited edition from Roccabox and it's not another advent calendar. So inside contains 9 beauty products. It has a value of £148 and can be purchased for £28 off the Roccabox website. This was kind of gifted to me for free in exchange for me showing you and telling you all about it. I'll pop a link down in my description, so if you're interested in learning a little bit more about them and any other limited edition boxes or this subscription, then you will find all the details down below. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to showing you what's inside. It says here, this is not another beauty advent calendar. This is so much more. We're not here to throw shade on beauty advent calendars, of course we're not, but why wait to open all those little doors when you can tear open and enjoy this ultra luxe, uber special beauty edit straight away? Patience is overrated anyway. Comes in their signature big white box and I've taken a photo, so it's all a little bit of a mess in here. Oh my gosh, it is really messy, but I will go through it all. I thought I had tidied it up, but I will go through it all in detail, showing you what's inside. So as well as the products, you've got a leaflet here and it details everything about the box and the theme. So I'll refer to this as we go along. Okay, first up, we have got a Mayo Heavenly Body Purifying Scrub, Radiant Salt Scrub, and there's 275 grams here. Oh, look at that. No scent as such. No scent. So this is full size and the recommended retail price is £25. The sea salt moisture rich scrub will alleviate your morning routine, injecting a little spa-like pleasure to your morning shower and giving you a head to toe feel great glow. Weekly use of this deep exfoliator will leave your skin beautifully bright, restored and soft, primed for showing off your fabulous Christmas party wardrobe. Is that? Next up, we've got a product by Rituals, and this is the Ritual of Jing. This is a calming, foaming shower gel, Sacred Lotus and Jujube, and there's 50 mils here. I love this scent. Absolutely love it. I've got a reed diffuser in the other room. I've got a pillow spray behind me. But yeah, you only need one little squirt and you get a load of foam. It looks like you will either receive the Ritual of Karma or the Ritual of Jing. These are deluxe minis and they retail for £4.95. The creamy gel to foam texture feels far more luxe than a gel. Its moisturising properties leave our skin nourished and the scent gives us truly feel-good vibes. Is that? Next we've got a product by Nip and Fab, and this is Exfoliate Glycolic Fix Scrub, and there's 75 mils here. Contains 3% glycolic acid and salicylic acid to cleanse pores, and it retails for £12.95. Packed with 3% skin brightening glycolic acid and spot fighting salicylic acid, this 3-in-1 micro exfoliant will refine, brighten and renew instantly, and we mean instantly. The perfect addition to your skincare routine, particularly at this time of year. It's an energizing way to polish and prep your skin for a night out and the best way to fully cleanse those pores after. Yeah, it's nice, but I think for me personally, I prefer a gentler exfoliator, only because I'm using tretinoin on my face and I've got to be really careful with what I put on regards to acids. So I'll pass that on. Next, we've got a product by Darfin, and this is Intral Daily Rescue Serum. There's 5 mils there. The little squirt, you know what I mean? A press down thing. I can't think. This is a deluxe mini and it is worth £17.50. Incredibly lightweight. The first thing you'll probably notice is how quickly this hard-working serum sinks deep into your skin with zero stickiness. It calms the complexion, shields your skin from external irritants such as pollution. The formula boasts high-performance benefits that encourage a deeply hydrated, noticeably comforted and drastically healthier looking surface. A high-potency skincare hero that sensitive skin will drink up. There's that. Next we've got an Illamasqua Antimatter Lipstick in shade Rocket. Now I've already got this shade. It is stunning. Absolutely beautiful. If you love your reds. Look at that. So lovely. See, it's more of a pinky red, isn't it? This is full size and it retails for £17. Intense colour payoff, a modern shade of red and a satisfyingly long-lasting finish. Need we say more? A clutch bag essential for pretty much most of the month. for lipstick. Next we've got a product by Figs and Rouge. This is a Wonderlove Sea Pearl Halo Dew Drops. And there's 30 mils here. Put a bit on my hand there. I've tried this before and it is beautiful. If you want a dewy look to your face, but you don't want all the shimmer, this is gorgeous. Really, really lovely. Really nice to apply actually. After you've applied your foundation, using a damp beauty blending sponge, put some on your hand, dab the sponge in, and then just go over like the high points of your cheeks and like your forehead and like your cupid's bow. Just with this, it is beautiful if you don't want it all over glow. This is full size and it retails for £30. Whether you choose to layer them into your current skincare routine, combine with your moisturiser for a custom blend product, or drop into your foundation to alleviate its glow-giving properties, this beautiful product will lavish your skin with luminosity, hydration and serious glow, giving a real-life filter effect. We had you at the filter right. So there's that. Next up, we got a moisturiser with a vitamin C from Emma Hardy, and there's 20 mils here. This is Deluxe Mini and it is worth £15. For an instant skin makeover, there's no ingredient that performs quite as well or as fast as vitamin C, instantly brightening dull and shallow skin while over time reducing pigmentation, fading and aging spots and increasing cell renewal. It's a powerful ingredient that makes this face cream a potent skin saviour with noticeable and fast results. Next up, we've got a Glow Skin Beauty Protect and Prevent Sea Shield Anti-Pollution Drops, and there's 6.5 mils here, so a little teeny tiny one. Just try a little bit there. I haven't tried anything from this brand, not that I'm aware of. This is a Deluxe Mini and it's worth £22.50. The serum is packed with a powerhouse trio of 15% vitamin C that makes it not only highly anti-pollutant but also protective against blue light. It improves skin clarity, increases radiance, and skin is visibly brighter. Create your own personalised boost by adding up to 6 drops depending on how your skin looks and feels to your daily moisturiser. For maximum efficiency, try following it up with your favourite hyaluronic acid serum. So then we got an eyeshadow palette by the Beauty Crop, and this is Espresso Your Love. Gorgeous design, really, really pretty design. It's got a mirror, and these are all the shades. The burgundies and the golds, they're lovely. This is full size and it retails for £14. There are 24 shades in this delicious palette of coffee-inspired eyeshadows. The bonus feature of these shadows is that they're enriched with caffeine. Can't smell it. Which is known for perking up tired skin and reducing puffiness. All richly textured and densely pigmented, has all your Christmas looks covered and will safely carry you from day dates at the Christmas market through to New Year's Eve debauchery, no problem. Got a palette, I'll do a few swatches for you. There. So pretty. So we've got an eyeshadow palette. And then lastly, they've added in a little sample of Elisar perfume. 1.5 mils here. Now I've tried this recently in a different subscription box and I'm not keen on the scent, so I'm going to pass that on. So those are all the products inside this Not Another Advent Calendar limited edition beauty box from Roccabox. It contains 9 beauty products, has a value of £148 and can be purchased for £28. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of it? Have you bought one for yourself, or are you wondering if this is for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.